Mix milk with Vaseline and prepare to be amazed. Mixing milk with Vaseline might sound unusual, but the results are absolutely incredible. This recipe can help with things you never imagined. In this video, I'll share 3 essential tips that will transform your day-to-day routine. Watch until the very end. You'll thank me later for these life-changing hacks. Let's start with the first tip. In a small bowl, add a spoonful of Vaseline. This ingredient is a powerhouse for so many uses, and you'll see why. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Next, we'll add the star ingredient, milk. Use any type of milk you have on hand. It all works. Add a spoonful to the bowl. Now mix everything together thoroughly. It might take a few minutes because Vaseline is a bit stubborn when it comes to blending with liquid, but keep going. Once it's fully mixed, you'll notice a smooth, creamy consistency with a whitish color. Tag a friend who needs to try this trick. This simple mixture works wonders for your skin. Vaseline and milk together combat dryness and help prevent issues that can worsen your skin's condition. Apply it to dry areas like your elbows, knees, or hands, and you'll notice softer, more hydrated skin in no time. Now let's move on to the second tip, which is just as surprising. Once again, start with a spoonful of Vaseline in a small bowl. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. This time, the key ingredient is toothpaste. That's right, any toothpaste will do, regardless of brand or color. Add about a spoonful to the Vaseline and mix until you get a smooth texture matching the toothpaste's color. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. This unique blend has a cooling effect and works wonders for soothing discomfort. Whether it's pain in your finger, knee, or any other area, this mixture provides instant relief while keeping your skin hydrated. It's quick, effective, and so easy to make. Do you have a similar hack at home? Share it in the comments. And now for the final tip, which might just be the best one yet. You're going to love this one, so stick around. In a small container, add a little Vaseline. And here's the secret ingredient, cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon powder. Mix it well until it reaches a smooth consistency. You might be skeptical, but trust me, this combo is incredible for your skin. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants, and combined with the moisturizing power of Vaseline, it helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and rejuvenates your skin. I've been using it on my hands, but you can apply it to your face for smoother, more youthful-looking skin, making it a safer alternative to expensive beauty products. After using it consistently, I've seen a noticeable difference in how my skin feels. So soft and refreshed, it's a secret beauty treatment that works like a charm. Do you have a similar hack at home? Share it in the comments. I hope these tips help you as much as they've helped me. Remember, sometimes the simplest ingredients can make the biggest difference. Stay tuned for more amazing life hacks in the following video.